Carignano Nature Park takes its name from Carignano, the native Italian village of Chevalier Federico Peliti, an Italian confectioner, photographer, and nobleman who established the estate during the British colonial period. He built it as his private summer retreat and named it after his hometown. Nestled in Mashobra, just off the Shimla, Naldhura Highway, the 9.6-hectare estate sits at an altitude of about 7,700 feet. After Peliti's time, it served as a dak bungalow before being transformed into the nature park visitors enjoy today. Surrounded by towering pine forests, the park features peaceful walking trails, a rustic treehouse, and an apple orchard, making it an ideal escape into the hills.